welcome back to my channel, Meylaxing. Again, welcome back. I'm so happy. This is my second video, and today I want to teach you guys how to do the peel off egg mask in honor of the most liked picture on Instagram due to the record-breaking egg. Yeah, I do find it a little tiny bit crazy that we're very concerned about this egg that is mostly liked on Instagram when we should be concerned on the real life issues that are happening here in the world. But today I'm going to be delivering an educational way on how to better your skin, which will be a great video due to this egg. But in honor for this egg, I will be showing you guys how to do a peel off egg mask. So this one basically has great benefits. Do not get me wrong. It's a kind of little disclaimer. Do not mind my voice. I'm a tad bit sick right now. But yes, this peel off egg mask has so many benefits. Do not get me started. Actually, get me started. This peel off egg mask helps to tighten your pores, prevent any acne, and helps fight off any acne scars. It helps to plump up your skin to give you that flawless look. Also, it does prevent any fine lines or wrinkles. Controls oily skin. So if you feel like you have excessive oils, this will be the trick. Also, it does get rid of eye puffiness, and it helps to get rid of any blackheads that you may have as well. Step 1, we're going to add the egg whites into the bowl. And if you're doing it this way, it's going to be a little tiny bit difficult, so it's going to be a little mission. Step 2, we're going to whisk the egg whites. And as you can see, I have my little piglet whisk right here. Whisk, 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 and then you keep on going until it's like a little bit bubbly. Then before the third step, you're going to collect any hair that sits on your face just so you can apply your egg whites evenly around your face. Ta-da! Yay! Alright, so then it is done. And step 3 is you applying your first layer of egg whites onto your skin. Just be careful while you're applying onto your face. Do not apply on any facial hair, because once you put the paper, it might just take it off. Some people put paper towels, some people put toilet paper, but that'll be the next step. So just evenly apply it all over. And as you can see, I'm using the toilet paper and applying all over my face. So now you can actually rip it into sections and put it all over your face. In step 5, you're going to add another layer on top of the toilet paper that's sitting on. Alrighty, so then just put it all over an evenly amount. Hey, now we wait 10 to 15 minutes. Now we start to peel it off. It's basically gonna get rid of all those, blackheads. And you're going to see a little bit of residue. Just go to the bathroom or wherever and rinse it off. And this is how it's going to look. And that is all you need to do for the egg peel off mask. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys love it. And please let me know in the comments below what you guys think about this recipe. Stay tuned for more skincare tips every single Thursday. And also, do not forget to thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Bye, guys.